Welcome to Dish Dish. Today we're going to make an Italian style pasta salad, which is so easy to make up and has great amounts of vegetables as well as pepperoni and cheese for some flavor. And we're going to start with some cooked pasta. I'm making a small batch today because I don't have too many people to feed tonight. We're going to add some zucchini and cauliflower, sliced up nice and thin so it doesn't overwhelm our pasta, and our cubed cheese. I used pepper jack and cheddar, but Swiss and provolone also work really well, whatever your flavor you're looking for. We're going to add black olives and green pepper. You could also use red pepper, provides a great flare of color if you like, or even a combination would be good. And we have some pepperoni we sliced up, some Parmesan cheese, some fresh parsley, and some cherry tomatoes. We're going to mix that all together. Look at how colorful and gorgeous that is. Now we're going to top it off with some Italian salad dressing. I like to use zesty Italian salad dressing because it just provides a great flavor. And we're going to really coat that well. And then this is going to chill in the refrigerator for 4 to 24 hours. It's perfect for making the day ahead of an event so that you don't have to do it last minute. And the flavor really gets absorbed by all those vegetables. And there we have it, Italian style pasta toss, great for your next family reunion or get together. You can find the detailed recipe at dishdish.us. Come join us to share recipes with your friends. Thank you.